What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear physics?
Isaac Newton.
Newton?
Yes.
Anything else?
F equals ma.
الفيزياء هي كل حاجة في الحياة، يعني هي علم الطبيعة، داخلة في كل حاجة في الحياة.
يونت اللي هو لكل رد فعل لفعل.
تمام.
ايه اول حاجه بتيجي على دماغك اول ما تسمعي كلمه فيزيك؟
Newton's apple.
Thank you.
Newton is about gravity.
Anything else you know?
Yeah, I know Newton. He was a good man.
انك تلعب رياضة أو بالنسبة لكورة أو حاجة زي كده.
Newton's laws.
Anything, yeah, sure. Like the force equates to mass times acceleration.
That's great.
Things like that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Kinetic energy, potential energy, elastic energy, and there's another energy which I forgot. I guess that's it.
Physics and Life, presented by Omega. This is Jack, and this is Mahmoud, and both of them are my friends. I've known them for a long time, but I'm afraid that this might be the last time I see them, because today they're doing something really crazy.
Steady. Steady.
Go! So, here are the two cars, moving with a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. We now ask one of the drivers to take off and accelerate from the speed of 60 to 80 miles per hour. Since we know that Newton's second law of motion says more force equals more acceleration, we were sure that the driver was going to end up in the lane, leaving the other car behind. We were also able to make experiments regarding Newton's first law of motion, which says an object in motion continues in motion, an object at rest remains at rest. The force of friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements that slides against each other. Even though the driver was not pressing on any gas, the friction acting between the tires and the street gradually made the car stop.
لو انا مسايق عربيه والفرامل مره واحده باظت العربيه هتقف ولا لا؟
هتقف بس بعد ما تمشي وتقف لوحدها.
يعني هتقف لوحدها
تقف لوحدها بعد ما تهدى الموتور يهدى هتقف العربيه.
Force. Force is any action exerted on an object which may change the object's state of rest or motion. I realized that Newton's second law of motion is being applied a lot inside the gym. You can now see Muhammad lifting light weight easily. However, when he switches to heavy weights, it's totally different.
Hello everyone, we are about to make a practical example of 2D motion.
As in tennis, football, and volleyball, the projectile motion launched at an angle is a curved path that an object follows when thrown at an angle from the surface of the earth. Free fall is the motion of a body when only force of gravity is acting on it. freely falling bodies undergoes constant acceleration, which is represented as AG, or acceleration due to gravity, is equal to 9.81 meter per second squared. Newton's third law of motion says, every action has an equal reaction.